Hi, I'm Matt Dolman of the Dolman Law Group. I'm a licensed Florida personal injury attorney. I'm often asked what a case is worth, and it's kind of a loaded question to be very honest with you. There's often numerous forks in the road that we take as personal injury attorneys when we receive a case that's very difficult to answer that question. A case is generally worth what the insurance policy is and what your injuries are. So when I receive a case in my office, it's very difficult for me to tell, the individual that hires me or a prospective client what their case is going to be worth without actually owning a pair of x-ray specs and being able to see inside their body. It's important that you get out to a licensed physician. It's important that you seek diagnostic results like an MRI. Without actually seeing this and knowing what the insurance policy is, it's difficult for me to ascertain what your case is actually worth. That's why patience is a virtue. It's important to treat and to seek a case as if you want to get better and not I want to make money. Cases are not a lottery windfall. Money comes and goes. You have your body for the rest of your life. You might as well treat it accordingly and seek proper medical treatment. Worry about getting better. During the timeline of your case, as we receive your medical records and we learn about your insurance policy limits, we'll be able to give you an articulate answer as to what we feel the value of your case is in terms of a range, maybe 25 to 40,000, and what we're seeking to get from the insurance carrier and what a timeline is as to how we're going to approach the case, when we seek to get a deadline out, and when we hope to get a response by, and then what the deadline is for filing a lawsuit. These are things that will become readily ascertainable as the case goes on. But when you walk into a law office and you seek a personal injury attorney, these are not answers that your attorney will have. If your attorney tries to provide you with such, oftentimes they're speaking foolishly. Again, it's very difficult to know what your case is worth without knowing your injuries and the insurance policy limits. Sometimes it's very obvious. Sometimes you'll walk in and you'll be the victim, unfortunately, of a very serious car accident with minimal policy limits. If we know that, sometimes your case will be often worth in excess of the policy limits right away. We will know that. But many times we have no idea until we know what the limits are and again what your injuries are. And many times it will take 4 to 6 months for you to treat for us to really understand what these injuries are and whether they're permanent or not. Thank you.